Treasure Jammers. Almost a repeat of the first jam of the evening.
First points in that jam, 2 points for the Sheilas, 1 point for the Royal Names. Sheilas, of course, taking second into that jam in the pack, but because of the skater in the box at the time, they get that second point.
And Tenacious D makes her way out front. She becomes your lead jammer.
Small skater, very fast skater. What she does up there is incredible.
And Hitty Kitty kind of took a spill down there on the turn. And now we have a race as Tenacious D trying to get back into the back.